A lot of blood, sweat, and tears have gone into this career of mine. A reputation as a hard worker is a good reputation to have. If you give up at the first sign of struggle, you're really not ready to be successful. The best tip I could give you is to be active. So many people talk about what they want to do and they just love words. Put actions behind your words. Don't be a talker. Be a doer. My experiences in life are getting bigger and better. The more stuff I do, the more stuff I talk about. Having kids, traveling, going through relationship problems, dealing with things in my own family. All that stuff builds character. Everybody that's successful lays a blueprint out. I feel like whatever you've done in your career, good or bad, it's nothing but preparation for the big events to come. The best feeling in the world is seeing the benefits and rewards of hard work. My goals are so high that I don't have time to relax in any way, shape, or form. Be loyal to those who help you grow. You got a team, you keep your team together. You run as a unit. You got a team of people, it means they believed in you. They bought into your dream. That means they invested into you. They invested time, energy, and effort. In return, you got to invest your vision and promise them that we're all going to win together. My main goal is to be a self-made man and have control over what's mine. At the end of the day, your fans are the people who support you in and out, and their opinions matter. No matter what, people grow. If you chose not to grow, you're staying in a small box with a small mindset. People who win go outside of that box. It's very simple when you look at it. The only time you should look back in life is to see how far you have come. I didn't work hard to sit down and not work. Every experience is a potential life lesson. Even if you don't appreciate it at the time, each struggle in the present is preparing you for something else in the future. I stayed true to my dreams and eventually they came true. There is no need to seek external approval when you already have internal approval. If life is a struggle, then struggle. If you get rejected again. If your dreams are smashed, keep dreaming. Just keep your eyes on the prize. And always remember that you have to fail to win.